There's damage across Auckland this morning after last night's storm.
Please only travel if you must. Strategy: uncontrolled intersections with care and observe normal give-way rules.
There are traffic lights, motorway signage and traffic cameras not working due to power outages, and there may be surface flood and storm debris on the streets. The NZ Transport Agency advises that all motorways across the Auckland network and the Auckland Harbour Bridge are open.
The harbour master is dealing with 7 vessels that have come ashore around the region.
The following local roads are closed.
Pine Avenue between Pars Cross Road Loops, Henderson.
Temple Street, Meadowbank and Gillies Avenue, between Kauai Terrace and Kimberley near Balmoral.
Corner Charles Road and Glenbrook Road, Karaka.
Corner of Marne Road and Settlement Road, Papakura.
Train services are operating this morning, but there are delays. There may be power issues at some rail stations and there are power outages across the network. All Western Line services will start and terminate at Henderson on a 20-minute frequency. Rail buses are operating between Henderson and Swanson.
Services have been reinstated and are operating on a 20 to 30-minute frequency.
Services are suspended between Papakura and Panu.
The Southern Line is operating to and from Manukau on a 30-minute frequency. Scheduled buses are in place between Manukau and Papakura.
Diesel services will operate from Pukekohe to Otahuhu. Services are operating with minor delays. All services will continue to operate with 6 car sets throughout the day.
Many stations don't have power. This is notified at station displays and public announcements.
Ferry services are operating with the exception of Northcote Point.
Bus services are operating, but there may be delays because of debris on the roads.